Back exercises at home without weights. Did you know that improper posture and weak back muscles are leading causes of back pain? With over 50% of Americans working from home, this problem is more common than ever. But guess what? There's a solution. Do you suffer from back pain every single day? Did you know that 80% of Americans experience back pain at some point in their lives? And it's not just uncomfortable. It can actually lead to long-term health issues if ignored. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to show you some simple yet effective back exercises that you can do at home without any weights. All you need is a little bit of space and a few minutes each day. Let's get started. Alternate Superman. This exercise strengthens the lower back muscles, glutes, and shoulders, helping to improve posture and reduce the risk of back pain. The alternating movement also enhances coordination and balance, making it a beneficial exercise for overall back health and stability. Alternate Superman is an exercise that targets the lower back, glutes, and shoulders. Begin by lying face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you and your legs straight. Lift your right arm and left leg simultaneously, holding for a few seconds before lowering them back to the ground. Repeat with your left arm and right leg. Back extension hold. This exercise strengthens the lower back muscles, promoting better posture and spinal stability. It also helps in reducing lower back pain and improving overall core strength, making it an essential exercise for maintaining a healthy back. Back extension hold is a static exercise that targets the erector spinae muscles in the lower back. Lie face down on a mat with your hands behind your head. Lift your chest off the ground and hold the position for as long as you can, keeping your neck in line with your spine. Hammer curls. Hammer curls build strength and muscle in the biceps and forearms, and the exercise also stabilizes the shoulder joints and upper back muscles. This exercise improves grip strength and contributes to better upper body strength and muscle definition. Sit with knees bent on the floor. Place a folded towel under your knees to add a stability challenge. Keeping your elbows close to your torso, simulate the curling motion by bending your elbows and bringing your hands up towards your shoulders. Squeeze your biceps at the top of the movement and hold for a second. Slowly lower your hands back to the starting position, maintaining muscle tension throughout the motion. Lying swimmer. This exercise improves lower back strength, shoulder stability, and overall back muscle endurance. It enhances coordination and mimics the swimming motion, providing a full body workout that is excellent for building back strength and improving overall functional fitness. Lying swimmer is a dynamic exercise that targets the entire back, especially the lower back and shoulders. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you and legs straight. Lift your right arm and left leg, then switch to lift your left arm and right leg in a swimming motion. Pulse rows. Pulse rows effectively target the upper and middle back muscles, improving muscle endurance and strength. The pulsing motion increases the time under tension, enhancing muscle growth and definition. This exercise also promotes better posture and upper body stability. To perform this exercise, begin by lying face down on a mat with your arms extended out to the sides and palms facing down. Lift your chest slightly off the ground and bring your arms into a T position, keeping your shoulder blades squeezed together. This is your starting position. Once in the fully contracted position, execute small controlled pulses by slightly moving your elbows up and down. Focus on maintaining tension in the upper back muscles throughout the pulses. Seated reverse curls. Sit with knees bent on the floor. Hold a rolled up towel with both hands, palms facing down, overhand grip, and extend your arms fully in front of you. Keeping your elbows stationary, curl the towel towards your shoulders by bending your elbows. Focus on contracting your biceps and forearms as you lift the towel, At the top of the movement, squeeze your biceps and forearms. Hold in for a second to maximize muscle engagement. Slowly lower the towel back to the starting position in a controlled manner, maintaining tension in your muscles. This exercise targets the biceps and forearms, promoting muscle definition and strength in the upper arms. The overhand grip used in reverse curls engages the brachioradialis muscle, aiding in balanced muscle development. Sitting upright and performing the curling motion requires core stabilization, enhancing overall core strength and stability. Using a towel makes this exercise accessible for home workouts or situations. Reverse snow angels. This exercise strengthens the upper back, shoulders, and lower back, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of back pain. Reverse snow angels also enhance shoulder mobility and flexibility, making it an excellent exercise for maintaining a healthy and functional upper body. Reverse snow angels are an exercise that targets the upper back, shoulders, and lower back. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended by your sides. Lift your chest off the ground and move your arms out to the sides and overhead, mimicking the motion of making snow angels, then return to the starting position. Superman hold. This exercise strengthens the lower back, glutes, and shoulders, improving overall back strength and stability. The Superman hold enhances core stability and helps in reducing lower back pain, promoting better posture and functional fitness. Superman hold is a static exercise that targets the entire back, especially the lower back muscles. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you and legs straight. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously and hold the position for as long as you can. Superman Lat Pulldown. This exercise targets the lower back, lats, and shoulders, providing a comprehensive back workout. The lat pull-down motion enhances upper back strength and muscle definition, while the Superman position strengthens the lower back and improves overall core stability. Superman lat pull-down combines the traditional Superman exercise with a lat pull-down motion. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, then pull your elbows back towards your torso, mimicking a lat pull-down. Superman towel. This exercise targets the lower back, shoulders, and upper back muscles. The added resistance from the towel increases muscle engagement and strength. Superman towel enhances core stability and helps in building a strong, well-defined back. Superman towel is a variation of the Superman exercise that adds resistance using a towel. Lie face down on the floor, holding a towel with both hands in front of you. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground while pulling the towel apart to create tension.
A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up.
Towel bent over rows. This exercise strengthens the upper and middle back muscles, promoting better posture and upper body stability. The use of a towel for resistance increases muscle engagement and improves grip strength. Towel bent over rows also enhance overall back strength and muscle definition, contributing to a well-balanced and functional upper body. Towel bent over rows are an exercise that targets the upper and middle back muscles using a towel for resistance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a towel with both hands. Bend forward at the hips, keeping your back straight. Row the towel towards your torso, pulling it apart to create tension, then lower it back down. Remember, consistency is key. Doing these exercises regularly can help alleviate back pain and strengthen your back muscles, all without any special equipment.